Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic. We are going to see what are the frameworks that is available for generative AI. Okay, for developing a chatbot with LLM. So let's discuss one by one. Before that, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel. Let's discuss the framework one by one. First one is LangChain, LlamaIndex, ChainLit, and Hugging Face. These are some list I have listed. There are some others also. So in today's video, we are going to discuss this. First one is we are going to discuss LangChain. LangChain is a framework that we can use and develop our LLM model. LLM model for Q&A or else if you want to any text summarization or text category, whatever use case that you want to build on top of OpenAI, Gemini, or Google or Meta, whatever, it will support many LLM models. Okay. So and it will provide you lot many things. Let me open for models. It has the different chat models, prompt engineering, LLM models, and output process, caching, streaming responses. Everything is available, and also in retrieval we have document loaders. If you want to extract any data from CSV, HTML, web scraping, and PDF, and so on. And also text splitter also available to split the your chunks. If you have a paragraph or if you have a text like 10 pages, so we can't index directly the 10 pages, so we have to split that into some tokens that we can use text splitter, and then we can create embedding for splitter text. Finally, before saving the data into knowledge base, we can create embedding if we want. And also it will provide a lot of retrieval model for Q&A and other use cases also, and chains agents. There are a lot many things, and also lang server, langsmith. So this we can use for any deployment if you want to do any production deployment, or you, if you want to evaluate your models, trace and evaluate your LLM models for debugging the issues or RAG, all the thing you can use LangChain framework. Okay, with any LLM model like OpenAI, Gemini, Google LLM model, OpenAI LLM model, GPT model, and Meta, and so on. It will support multiple LLM models. Okay, and next one is LlamaIndex. LlamaIndex also similar to what I said in the LangChain. This is another framework. Here also it will they will provide you data ingestion, embedding creation, LLM model support. We can we can create any chain LLM with OpenAI, other LLM models also vector model evaluation. If you want to evaluate your model, that also we can doable. Question and answering, structured data extraction, semantic search. We can search with meaning, and also agent. So this also is similar to LangChain for developers. You can get started, just click the link and get started how it actually working. You can one by one learn by clicking how to install and how to set up, and then how to start with LlamaIndex. All the thing you can do here. And then the next one is chainlit. Chainlit also is open source Python library package to build any conversational AI. It will support all the LLM models. Okay, so there are some key features also available like Belfast, Copilot, and so on. Integration, if you want to integrate Chainlit with any other framework, they are providing for that also, like LangChain, AutoChain, OpenAI assistance, LlamaIndex, and in future there are maybe other framework also they will add here. And if you want any custom front end, that also doable. Okay, using React, they will provide us some custom React framework however we want. That also they will provide. You can learn this one by one, or prompt setting, chat profiles, multi-modality, ask users, streaming response. If you want also deployment tutorials, they have provided lot many things they have provided. What you have to do is you just go through one by one and then start implementing your chat GPT. The next one is Hugging Face. Hugging Face also providing a lot of LLM models. If you want to fine tune any your model, that also you can fine tune using Hugging Face. So this is the topic, today topic. If you want to discuss any other topic, please comment below and please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video for more content. Thank you.